hearty welcome to all the viewers to another edition of our channel Navodaya Master. At this video, we are discussing about the fourth tense, present perfect continuous tense. What is present perfect continuous tense? As usual in any tense, first subject, then have or has. Already we have seen for the subject I, we, they, you, we have to use have, and he, she, it, has. Everything is interconnected. Don't think one tense is isolated from another one. Interconnected, interrelated. Our previous knowledge should be used to write proper sentences. Have or has. Next one is distinct word is been. Been is the main indicator of present perfect continuous tense. Been. Then lastly, continuous tense. Any continuous tense, present form of verb plus ing. So we call the present form of verb plus ing as present participle. So that is what the formula or definition. As usual for I, we, they, you, we have to use have, he, she, it, has. Been and present participle for all the subjects. So let us go for examples. Let us apply our ideas in the form of sentences. He has been teaching for a decade. So work started earlier, now continuing. Present perfect. To some years, some time, the action has been completed. Why it is continuous? It is now also working. Worked already more than 10 years, but not stopped. That is why it is present perfect continuous tense. She has been singing for this orchestra. Not one day, 1 week, for long. She has been singing for this orchestra. I have been visiting this temple for many years. You have been cultivating vegetables in your kitchen garden for several years. So, what is a guideline? Present perfect continuous tense are used for the actions which have started earlier or some time back and they are continuing. Indicators. So, what are the indicators of present perfect continuous tense? Have or has plus been. Finally, present form of verb plus ing, or we call it as present participle. So I like to sum up. This tense is used for the actions which have been started earlier and are continuing. Dear viewers, so let us check the understanding of this video by doing this small exercise. First question, which is a distinct indicator of this tense? We have some common words that is present in different tenses, but present only in this perfect continuous tense. So correct answer is been. Been is the correct answer. This can be found only in perfect continuous tenses. Now fill this blank based on your understanding of the video. He dash been driving for long. He dash been driving for long. Correct answer is has. Correct answer is has. Already we have seen earlier also. For the subjects I, we, they and you, we have to use have, and for he, she, it, we must use has. So let us go for the next one. What is present participle? Continuous means present participle. What is present participle? Present form of verb plus ing. Okay? Present form of verb. Verb plus ing. which form of verb? Present form of verb. So that is what present participle. It already came in present continuous tense also, which are common for all subjects. So we have minor changes when we use the subject I, different. When we use the subject he, different. But which are common for all the subjects, all the 7 subjects. So these two, been and present participle. These two items are common for all the subjects, all the sentences in present perfect continuous tense. So that's all today. Thank you.